गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि। ॐ वृन्दावे तुलसी प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्रै नमः। भक्ताविहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमात्रै कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्नं वन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वन्दे नमस्ते भजामि राधं अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधं मधुरस्मितम् वदामि राधं करुणावरद्रं ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्नकः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So who will translate that? Translate back. Huh? Huh? Excuse me? The contribution and life history of Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. Yesterday midday I told, and also today morning I told something about his life history and contribution and his great personality. So, actual yesterday I told how did he protect Prabhupada's, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada's property, sampatti. Sampatti, understand? What is that? Property. Prabhupada. Well, sometimes Prabhupada, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he told among all the devotees, I will build 108 temples in the world. Then one lady, first initiation lady of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, Sarojvasini Devi. Prabhupada, before he did not give Diksha mantra to ladies. Understand? Why? Ladies don't want to let it enter in philosophy. Generally, ladies are little bit lazy. Understand? Ladies, they want to listen only Leela Katha. story. If you story, Krishna story, Lila Katha, then you will be eager to listen. Or if you speak the Tattva Siddhanta, they don't want to accept. Understand? One day I told the Tattva Siddhanta Parinambad, the doctrine of transformation. Could you remember? Who remember? Phala, Tamarani Phala. What is the doctrine of transformation? Phala. Oi. Phala, doctrine of transformation.
The doctrine of transformation is like when you have milk and
When you have milk.
milk transform into yogurt. So once milk transform in yogurt, you cannot transform it back.
You got to transform that. That means Brahma cannot transformation. Brahma, because Advaitavadi say, Shastra say, Eka Brahma Ditya Nasti. Brahma, Ek Advitya and Abhikari. Abhikari means no manifestation, no transformation. But Vyasasutra also explained that Brahma is called Parinamad, that means Brahma and manifest many forms. So now coming in this way, so for this regard, most of the ladies, they don't want to enter in philosophy. And if you not enter in philosophy, then very difficult to your mind fixed in Krishna consciousness. This is also one thing. If you don't enter in philosophy, very difficult to concentrate your mind. Your mind will be disturbed. Something your mind disturbed or not? Why? This is the reason. If you enter in philosophy, then your mind will not disturb. This is the thing. Simple way to tell. This body will be die. This body is always many kinds of vikar. Understand? But Atma, no vikar, no transformation. What is the vikar body? This material body, Balla, Jauvan, Koisor, Vriddha, Kami, many kinds of disease. Balla means youth, Balla means childhood. When you are small baby or not? Then you young youth. Then you become old. Then one day you will die. So the body changes. And you suffer many kinds of disease. This is the nature. If you have body, sharir, body, you will suffer many kinds of disease. You have disease? What kinds of disease? Many kinds. Idam sariram sapasandhi jarjaram. In this body we have many joints. And all the joints giving the pain to us. This is the nature. Keep it up. So just to survive, or take medicine. So one who knows this tattva, his mind not disturbed. Who does not know the Tattva Siddhanta, their mind is disturbed. Huh? You have body, so disease will come. So if you have disease, you go to doctor, take medicine. Simple. Huh? So Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says this, first this philosophy. Jatosi dhruvam mittu dhruvam janma mitaschachana. Who takes birth, he will be die. And he will be cut. Eh? These bodies had, how many types of vikar? 6 types of vikar. Eh? But Atma has no vikar. Eh? Understand? Eh? Asti jayate. What is the slok? Asti jayate apakhayate vinasate. Or 2 words there. Asti means we have this body. Eh? Jayate, then we'll take birth from the womb of mother. Asti jayate apakhayate. This body slowly going down. Eh? In the beginning body is going up. Then after certain time body is automatically going down. After 50 years, 60 years, body automatically going down. And vinasate, one day this body will be destroyed. Bhagavad Gita, this thing. But Atma, no mriyate, no jayate. Atma never takes birth, Atma never dies. This is it. So Atma has no 6 types of vikar. Bodies have 6 types of vikar. Understand? So I am saying, if you know Tattva Siddhanta, then your mind will never disturb. Just to survive. Or if you don't know Tattva Siddhanta, then mind will disturb. Why I am suffering? Why you are suffering? 2 ways we are suffering this body. Again tell me. What are the 2 ways? According to our previous karma, good karma, bad karma, you are suffering. Many kinds of disease, distress also. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Chaitanya Shikshamrit Grantha also explained in this material world. Mundane people, they are suffering many kinds of disease and distress. Why? Because previous life they did many bad karma or good karma. Their bad karma, they are suffering many kinds of disease and distress. Or good karma, many kinds of good things coming. So karma, action of karma. A second, something is coming from the nature. Prakriti Svabhav. Nature giving some kinds of disease and distress also.
Means it's not from your karma.
Not karma. Everything not coming from your karma. Something coming from nature. Very hot, then you feel something or not. So this is your karma. If heavy rain, you shout, then some bacteria will come, then you will be sick. That is not karma. Many things also not coming from karma. Something was coming from nature. Fever. Some fever is coming from nature. You read Bhakti Vinod Thakur Chaitanya Shikshamrit Grantha. Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained. Draupadi, Pandavas, they suffer many things in their life. They have the karma. Duryodhana, Dushasan try to kill to them. They put fire in their house and they were exiled in the forest 12 years, 13 years. And they suffer many things also. So, have they karma? Well, no. And that is the Leela. They are the eternal associate of Krishna. Those who are eternal of Krishna, Krishna's parikar, if they are suffering, you don't think they have karma. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev, Kunti, they are ordinary persons. They are not ordinary persons. So why they are suffering? Arjuna, he has Gandhi. 1 second he can destroy the whole universe. Brahmastra he has. But still, Arjuna, he is exiled in the forest. Why? Draupadi is not ordinary lady. She is the direct expansion of Lakshmi. Lakshmi, Angshabhuta, Draupadi. Try to understand. Mahalakshmi, Draupadi actually. But this regard Krishna called her, what did he say? Sakhi. Krishna always called to Draupadi Sakhi. So much love and affection with Draupadi. Krishna always staying with Pandavas. Bhim Gadadhari. He has, what is it called? Clubs. And he can kill everything. Bhim or not ordinary person. If Bhim wants, he can take the millions universe and juggling. Or Duryodhana, Dushasan, nothing in front of Bhima. And Mahabharata explained, Bhim, he was sometimes juggling, juggling with the elephants, doing this way. As a small ball, they are juggling. Bhim also juggling with the elephants. And one he was juggling 5 or 6 elephants, and he pushed, then one elephant has gone universe. And what is it called? Spinning. Duryodhana, Dushasan, nothing in front of him. If Bhim wants, take Duryodhana and boom, then going to the Haribol. Gadadhari Bhim. But still Bhim is in the exile. And they is suffering. They are begging house to house. Understand? They are begging. Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadev. They are begging. Draupadi Mahalakshmi, I thought. Lakshmi Devi, Draupadi, she is in the other exile. So in their karma, you cannot say karma. Janma karma chana vidyate Vaishnavana. Those who are Shuddha Vaishnava, they have no karma, janma, karma, nothing. They are not suffering, they are fruitive for action. Madhurya Kadambini, when you read Gurudev books, very nice, beautiful Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Original Vishwanath Chakravarti, Gurudev gave many nice, beautiful commentary. Many years Gurudev wrote in Hindi Grantha manifested. Now the devotees, they translated in English. All you read and translate in Portuguese also. Then you will get a benefit. Then enter deep philosophy. Understand? Ajamil just gave his son's name Narayan, then all his sinful activities destroyed. Madhurya Kadambini also explained this. Ajamil just gave his son's name, what name? Narayan. In morning I told him, hey, chant Narayan. 10 times he can't do. And chant Narayan. Then after 10 times, follow. Narayan. Morning I 10 times tell 12. Narayan, Narayan. So now Namabhas coming. Namabhas is Vaita Mukti. So maybe your question will come. Ajamil, he committed many sinful activities in his life. And all his sinful activities destroyed. But still, why you are staying in that the pursuit? Why did not give up the pursuit? This question also comes. If you enter into the Siddhanta, Ajamil just gave his son's name Narayan. The first time when Ajamil chanted his son's name Narayan, Putro Charito Namo, Ucharana Matrina Sarva Papam Vidhansati. Ajamil just chanted his son's name Narayan, first time all his sinful activities. But still he committed, still he was staying with that lady. Why did not give up that lady? Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Purvabhas. Ajamil, in his life, one thing he did not commit offense. For the Namabhas come. Why we have no Namabhas? Because we are offenders, Lotus Feet of Vaishnava. But this is not Namabhas not come. Ajamil, Vishwanath Chakravarti was explained, Ajamil, in his life he committed many sinful activities, this is true. But in his life, he never criticized any Vaishnava. Vaishnava Parad. Ajamil did not committed any. You try to understand. 3 types of Harinam. Nam Aparad, Namabhas or Shuddha Nam. When Shuddha Nam will come, then you have taste will come. Chanting Holy Name. Then servicing Guru and Krishna. Seva, Vritti automatically comes. Understand? Okay. Why I am saying these things? So, first, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he did not give Diksha mantra to the ladies. They don't want to listen. Listen, enter in Tattva Siddhanta. All ladies have to enter in Tattva Siddhanta. Siddhanta bole chitte lite karan. Then Sarajvasini Devi. So, no, we have to give. Then Prabhupada, he gave Diksha mantra to her. She was very intelligent. All ladies are not stupid. Some ladies are very intelligent. Understand? Some gents, they are stupid also. Some gents are very intelligent. You cannot say all gents are intelligent, all ladies are stupid. You cannot say.
Some good also. Huh? Understand? Huh? Some they are very intelligent. Eh? Some lady also doctor, lawyer. Huh? Hey, these two are. Now all ladies are bogas or gents are only doctor. You cannot say this one. Eh? You see? As like Gargi. Eh? It's very powerful. Ladies. Eh? Gargi Maitri Sangha. Eh? These are things. In our Shastra also there is. And many ladies, they are called Vidushi Mahila. Vidushi Mahila means they are very intelligent and great philosopher. And so, Sarajvasini Devi, she argument with Prabhupada. Yeah, how possible all ladies are bogus or less intelligent? And then Prabhupada very pleased with her answer. Then Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada gave Diksha to her. Understand? So why I am saying this? Everybody should, gents and ladies, all you enter in Tattva Siddhanta. And again I say, emphasis this word, all you enter in Tattva Siddhanta. If you enter in Tattva Siddhanta, your mind will be fixed. Your mind will never disturb. This is the main thing. Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami, Vinod Vihari Brahmachari. So much near and dearest of Prabhupada. Great philosopher. Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami, that means Vinod Vihari Brahmachari, he was a great philosopher. Gurudev told, my Gurudev, when he spoke Harikatha, mostly he did not speak slokas. Understand? You also listen, Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj some lecture, internet. He did not speak many slokas. One or two slokas, maybe first or last word. But his Siddhanta is speaking, the meaning is speaking. Understand? If you say, oh, I have no brain to learn slokas, no harm. But you want to learn the meaning of the slokas or not? Sanskrit slokas is very complicated for you. Okay, I believe. But you can learn the meaning of the slokas. What is the meaning he has written? Oi, listen or not? She speaks very nice. She will just when she speaks, she's small, but it's I noticed who is speaking whom, how. So Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he was a great philosopher. So don't you disappointed. Oh, I have no memory. I can't to remember slokas. One sloka reading 100 times I forget what to do. Many devotees ask me. Don't worry. Don't disappointed. But you can learn the meaning of the sloka. Simple translation, meaning of the sloka. You can speak. Good or not? So Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, most of the time he did not speak slokas, just slokas first line or last line, and giving the lecture. He was very near, I told Prabhupada's very nearest and dearest person. So I told Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, one day he told, assembly all his devotees. I want to build 108 temples. Then Sarojvasini Devi, she told, oh, you are sleeping on the floor and dreaming. Sometimes you are sleeping on the floor and dreaming. I am going to the sky. That means is what? Sarojvasini Devi, she told Prabhupada, Are in your temple no brahmachari, not so many brahmachari. So how possible to build the many temples? Who will take care of the temples? Who will be manager of the temples? Who will take care? Then Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada indicated Vinod Vihari Brahmachari. You read Gurudev, that books. Vinod Vihari Brahmachari. He will take care of my all temples. Not one temple. And he will take care of all my temples. Vinod Vihari Brahmachari, yesterday I told how he was great person. Externally he looked like Vishay. Vishay type. Understand? No tilak. Always is what? Looking the court kachari, you know? Court, law book, So for this regard, his god brothers complained to Prabhupada, oh, Vinod completely materialistic. He is staying in temple, but not chanting holy names, not putting tilak, no Gayatri mantra, nothing. Then Prabhupada told stupid nonsense. Never complain. Vinod Vihari. Actually, Vinod Vihari Brahmachari chanted holy names when? When everybody sleeping. Understand? Everybody sleep, then he chanted. Actually, Vinod Vihari Brahmachari has no time to sleep also. All day he going to court Krishnanagar and court Kachari and Prabhupada, these things. Then coming back, then again looking the law book. Next day you have to go again court. But night time when everybody sleep, then he chanting holy names, Gayatri mantra chanting holy names. So for this regard, other brahmachari did not see when he is chanting holy names and chanting Gayatri mantra. I saw what Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. He sometimes he chanting Gayatri mantra and standing. Sometimes Uttam Vaishnava's activity is very difficult to understand. He is standing and chanting Gayatri mantra. So sometimes Uttam Bhagavad, external activities you cannot understand. So Vinod Vihari Brahmachari, why is it Vinod Vihari Brahmachari? Very natural couple. Tattva Siddhanta, everything is perfect. Everybody for this regard, all brahmachari called him Vinodda. What did he say? Bengali word Vinodda. Meaning elder brother. Understand? Everybody called him Vinodda. Bengali word Dada means elder brother. And all brahmachari sannyasis also paid obeisances to him. Dandavat pranam to him. Even sannyasis coming and doing pranam. Vinod Vihari, very powerful. But sometimes Prabhupada have a chastisement to him also. You read that book. Prabhupada sometimes told, you are Bokar Jahaj. You understand Bengali word? Who knows? Bengali word, Bokar Jahaj. You don't know. Bokar Jahaj means you completely foolish. This is the actual love and affection words. Prabhupada's very near and dear. For this regard, sometimes mother chastisement her baby. In the same way, Prabhupada and sometimes use this word, Bhagavad. Actually, he is not foolish. This is his love and affection word. Understand? If your son has no eyes, but you have to give son's name, what name? Kamala Nayana. Kamala Nayana. One's eyes as like lotus. But your son has no. This is your love and affection. So for this reason, Prabhupada's very nearest and dearest person, Vinod Bihari Brahmachari. And for this regard, sometimes he was chastisement. You read what I am speaking. Srila Gurudev book, Grantha. He used this word also. He used this word, same word, Prabhupada. What did he say? Mandan people thinking, oh, Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, he is foolish. Actually, not he is foolish. All his God brothers listen, Vedanta darshan from him. Sometimes he gave Vedanta class. You have to take picture. Vinod Bihari Brahmachari is sitting, and all his God brothers surrounding him. He gave Vedanta class. Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami, he was high class philosopher. How do you know? Life history can see. He manifested and white Krishna Vigraha. All Gaudiya Math, you can see Krishna, blackish Krishna. But Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he established Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. His Krishna, which color? White color. Why? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he established Vigraha, Krishna Vigraha, white color. Black color. And Bhakti Pradhan Kesava Goswami Maharaj, he established white color Krishna. So for this regard, sometimes his God brothers joke to him. Why did you manifest it? The white, that is Krishna. Maybe this marble, white marble is cheaper. India, white marble, that is very cheaper. Or black marble, that is very expensive, custom. So for this regard, sometimes his God brother joked with him. But Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, what did he say? No. Then he wrote about slokas. Vinod Bihari Tatta Ashtakam. Vinod Bihari Tatta Ashtakam, you can read. Radha Chinta Nivesana Jatsakanti Vilorpita Shri Krishna Charanam Vande Radha Lingita Vigraham. Learn this sloka. Learning or not? You are pagal. Follow. Or? Who knows? Anyone? Adiya. Radha Chinta Nivesana. Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, very nice, gave explanation. Manjari Bhav is there. Eh? What is the Manjari Bhav? Manjari, they don't think. Krishna, a Srimati Radhika feels separation from Krishna. Krishna has to feel separation from Radha. Eh? Generally, we read Srimad Bhagavatam, Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. Eh? You understand? Brain working or not? Eh? Srimad Bhagavatam, Brahmar Geet, the song of the bamboo weed. Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. And Sukadeva Goswami eh? Madhupakitapa Bandhu Mapi Sangi. Uddhav came in Vrindavan. Uddhav carried Shah. How Srimati Radhika dipped on Madhasa turns into madness and she felt separation from Krishna. Radha, Srimati Radhika. And that time she also stopped with the bumblebee. Depends. 10 sloka. That is called Brahmar Geet. Eh? But Vinod Vihari Brahmachari? So no. Eh? Krishna, he had to feel kind of separation from Radha. Eh? He did not give imaginary. He gave the evidence from Shastra, Varaha Sangita Shastra. Eh? Understand? Jaha praman dive Shastra bachan. You have to give evidence from scriptures. And that things manifested in Imlitala. Near Gopinath Bhavan, Imlitala. Once last dance was going on very nicely in Sevakunda. Then Srimati Radhika, she did man. Srimati Radhika, she left last dance. Then Krishna, he felt kind of separation from Radha. Krishna felt separation from Radha. Then Krishna came on the bank of Jabuna, Imlitala, and only you are remembering to Srimati Radhika, feeling separation from Radha. Krishna, you are sitting under the tamarind tree, and Radha. Then Radha Chinta Nivesanam, so much absorbed in Srimati Radhika. Separation from Srimati Radhika, absorbed. Then Krishna's body become golden color, white color, same complexion of. So Bhakti Prakananda, look, Krishna's color blackish to white. This is the Siddhanta. Manjari's mood is this. The Srimati Radhika, a Krishna have to feel separation from our Samini Srimati Radhika. Generally people, they know the Radhaji, Srimati Radhika, she is feeling separation. I know. Jayadev Goswami Pad also wrote this thing also. The Krishna, he felt kind of separation from Radha. But not mentioned. The Krishna complexion transferred in blackish to white. But Vinod Vihari Brahmachari very clearly, Radha Chinta Nivesanam, Jasyakanti Vilorpita, Shri Krishna Charanam Bandi, Radha Lingita Vigraham. Then Krishna feeling so much separation from Radha. Then Krishna's complexion blackish to white. Or another meaning, Radha Lingitam. Two meanings. Radha Alingitam, Radha Lingitam. Actual Krishna's blackish complexion completely covered with Srimati Radhika. Radhika's complexion. Gauranga nahe tumhara dhange dhaka. Right Ramananda told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, I know who are you. You are same Krishna. You are same Krishna. But but now some reason you appeared in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauranga Sarup. निज कार्य प्रभु राधांग करिया अंगीकार. I understood. पहिले देखिले तुम्हारे सन्यास रूप, एवे देखी तुम्हारे कृष्ण स्वरूप. राधा चैतन्य महाप्रभु, what is name? Radhamanda asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, हे प्रभु, please, honestly, tell to me, who are you? Mahaprabhu told, I am Mayavadi Sannyasi. I am completely here, Baddha Jiva and conditioned soul. Lord, don't cheat me. Radhamanda told, don't cheat me. And you appear here to deliver me. And Ama Jiv Uddharite Tava Hetha Agaman. You have come here to deliver the living entities. So don't cheat me. पहिले देखिने तुम्हारा सन्यास वेश. First I saw your sannyas form. Understand? Then I saw your Krishna form. Very nice, beautiful Tribhanga Lalit, blackish Krishna, dancing eyes, playing flutes, peacock feather on your turban. I saw. Then I saw one very nice, beautiful lady. This Srimati Radhika. Then that Srimati Radhika and covered your blackish complexion. So tell to me, who are you? That means I form the three forms. Sannyas form, Krishna form, and another Radhaji. And Radhaji completely covered your blackish form. Mahaprabhu told, Are Radha, you are Uttam Mahabhagavad. So you are looking this way. Then Mahaprabhu, Radhamanda told, don't cheat me. Hasi Prabhu Tahari, dikhai lo. Then Mahaprabhu smiled and saw to him and Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. Dekhi Ramananda Murchita huye. Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. Krishna is called Rasaraj, Srimati Radha is called Mahabhava. Then Rasaraj and Mahabhava, how to mix together and manifest it? Gauranga Sarup. Then Ramananda fainted. Why Ramananda fainted? This is the question. So many times I am sleeping. So now coming to Radha Alingitam. Alingitam means this one. Completely embraced. And whole body, top to bottom, everywhere. Understand? If your friend embraced you chest to chest, back to back. At a time cannot embrace your chest and back. Sometimes not possible. But Srimati Radhika Alingitam and embraced the whole body of Krishna. So Radha Alingitam, Radha Alingitam. Alingitam means embrace. Two words. Radha Alingitam, Radha Alingitam. You embraced your friends chest to chest or back to back? Back to back, I don't know. Maybe you can do it also. Laughing you. But how Srimati Radhika? She completely, absolutely embraced the whole body of Krishna. So saying this way, Radha Lingit Vikrama. Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, very nice deep explanation about this subject. How Srimati Radhika completely, absolutely cover Krishna's blackish form. From whole body, yeah. Because Srimati Radhika's complexion not different from Srimati Radhika. That one is. Deha Dehi Vedanasti. There are no difference body and complexion. Our body and complexion different. Huh? But Krishna, all is equal, Sachidananda. So there is no difference in body and soul. Everything is same. This is called Achinta Tattva. Type answer. Deha Dehi Vidanasti. Our body and soul different. And Krishna, body, soul is same. But how? But these are Sachidananda. Who is Sachidananda, transcendental? You cannot understand with your material brain. That is called Achinta, beyond of material concepts. So that means Srimati Radhika, completely whole cover. Yeah? Or another also, Krishna stole Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Radha Bhav Churi Kori. Radha Bhav Kanti Churi Kori. Krishna avatirna hoilo Gaura Rupa Dhari. Krishna stole Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion and appeared in front of Gauranga Sarovar. So why Krishna stole Srimati Radhika's complexion? This is the question. When we enter philosophy, many questions will come in your heart. Why? Radha Krishna Ekai Sarup, Leela Ras Asadite Dhare Doi Roop. Radha Krishna Ekai Sarup. Radha Krishna is one. But for the Leela manifested two forms, only Radha and Krishna. And Sakti, Saktiman or Daur Abhido. Krishna is called Saktiman. And Srimati Radhika, she is called Sakti. But there are no different Sakti and Saktiman. When Krishna, when Sakti inside of Krishna, that is called Amurta Prakash, unmanifest. And when Krishna is thinking, I will perform Leela, then Leela Sakti arranged. Then Sakti coming from his body. Separate. That is called Sanskrit word, Murta, manifest. Hladini Sakti Sarupini Srimati Radhika, coming from Krishna and manifested Radha. You read this book. What book? Madhusmrita Radha. How Srimati Radhika, she manifested from Krishna's body. Why her name is Radha? Krishna Anuragana Dhavati Jasmat Iti Radha. And Krishna deep attachment runs behind whom? He is called Radha. Radha is called Sakti, Sakti Tattva. But which Sakti? Radhini Sakti, pleasure potency of Krishna. Ananda Sarupini Srimati Radhika, Ananda Sakti, pleasure potency. Radhini means Ananda. Devi Krishna Patta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Sanmohini Para. Virat Gautamiya Tantra. Evidence. So why I am saying? Because Vinod Bihari Brahmachari, Keshav Goswami Maharaj, he wrote Vinod Bihari Tattastakam, Radha Chinta Nivesanam, Jasyakanti Vilorvita, Shri Krishna Charanang Bande, Radha Lingita Vigraham. Two meanings, Radha Alingitam, Radha Lingitam. And Srimati Radhika completely embraced Krishna's whole body. That is called Radha Alingi, one embrace. Radha Alingi, he accepts Srimati Radhika's complexion. Huh? Yes. Oh, now 2 o'clock. Let's go, no? Harikatha. So Vinod Bihari Brahmacharya, look, he manifested this Vigraha. White Vigraha. That is called Radha Vinod. This bhav, highest mode bhav. Manjari chastisement to Krishna. Krishna will have to feel separation from our mistress Samini Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she will feel separation from Krishna. This is not their subject. The subject, Krishna had to feel separation from Krishna, from Radha. This thing. So that means who will feel separation? And from whom? Who will feel separation and from whom? Whose prem is higher, you will feel separation from him. You understand? You understand or not what I am speaking? Whose prem is higher than you, then you can separation from him. This is that. So that means Srimati Radhika's prem is higher, topmost. So Krishna had to feel separation from Krishna, Srimati Radhika. Understand? Manjari, they want these things. And Manjari's mood, they are thinking, Srimati Radhika should not feel separation. Because separation mood coming Srimati Radhika, if Srimati Radhika feels separation, that time Manjari, they cannot serve to Krishna. Srimati Radhika. If anybody feeling separation, that time she will not take service from you. Understand? This is the thing. Indian culture. If any chaste lady's husband died, that time she is called widow, vidhava, widow. That time she will not decorate with very nice, beautiful cloth or any ornaments. For this regard, in India, those who are widow, once husband died, they are not putting any ornaments and not very, what is called, colorful cloth. They are putting simple cloth, white cloth. Because the symptom, they are feeling separation from her. You understand? And you can see Ramayana, when Dasarath Maharaj left body, then Kaikeyi, Kausalya, Kaikeyi, Sumitra. They put what cloth? Have you seen Ramayana? What cloth? White cloth. And no ornaments. Look this. Because feeling separate. In the same way, Jagatpati Jagannath Krishna. Krishna feels separation. When separation. So Manjari, they don't like. The Srimati Radhika, she feels separation. You understand? Because if Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna, they have no service. That time Srimati Radhika, she will not accept service from Manjari. She is crying. So for this regard, Manjari, they don't like. The Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. They like Srimati Radhika always meeting with Krishna. Sambhog Mahima. This is actually Manjari mode. For this regard, they have Manitikona service. They can decorate Srimati Radhika's clothes, ornaments, hair, everything. And these things. And so Vinod Bihari Brahmacharya told these things also. Nice. And Krishna have to separate. And Manjari, there are many services also that time. And Krishna will come in the kunja of Manjaris. And the Manjari have chastisement. Madhava Madhava Jahi, Madhava Madhava, Mavadakai Tava. Hey Madhav, get out here. Madhava Madhava Jahi. Hey Madhav, get out here. Huh? Madhava Jahi, Mavadakai Tava. Hey Madhav, don't use speak flattering words, cheating words. Get out here. Huh? Huh? Or sometimes Madhav Maharaj, he says, my name is Madhav Venkat. Madhava Madhava Dehi Madhava. Madhava Madhava Bachi Madhava Madhava. Huh? You have the Sankalpa mantra. What is called? Sasti Vachana. Huh? Madhava Madhava Bachi Madhava Madhava Sarva Kajisu Madhava Lavoste Sang Jaste Sang Kudaste Sang Paravo. Huh? He is very proud. Right? Okay. But very nice. Sarva Kajisu Madhava. If you perform any activities, take Madhav name. Huh? This is good. But here, highest Grantha. Jayadev Goswami, what did he say? Srimati Radhika, when she did man, what did he say? Madhava Madhava Jahi. Madhav, get out here. Okay, nonsense, rascal. Say what? Madhava Madhava Jahi. Mavada Kai Tavo. Hey Madhav, get out here. Your name also Madhav. Madhava, get out. Madhava Madhava Jahi. Mavada Kai Tava. So Manjari chastisement on it. Get out here. Jat Kendrisu Bhuso Kolukaku Bani, Nitam Parsa Sikhanda Mule, Jassa Kadar Sanide, Visavanu Jaya, Tatkali Kunji, Bhavatina? Jat Kendrisu Bhuso Kolukaku Bani, in Seva, in Niduvan Seva. And Krishna, he came early in the morning in the kunja of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika did man and closed the door. What Manjari? Outside Manjaris are there. Rupa Manjari or some Manjari is there. Man, what saying? Jat Kinkursu Bahusa Kholuk Akuvani. Krishna holds, say Madhav, hold his ears and asking his forgiveness. Oh, I offend that. Look this. Jat Kinkursu Bahusa Kholuk Akuvani. Get out here. Look. How Manjari is chastisement to Krishna. Jat Kinkursu Bahusa Kholuk Akuvani. Nitam Purusa Parsa Sikhanda Muli. Jasya Kadar Sanadi Vishabhanu Jaya. Tatkali Kunji. Bhavananga Marjanisham. Actually, this is the. Though Prabhanananda Saraswati, very humble. He is saying, I am unqualified to serve the Kunja of Srimati Radhika. Who can prepare yet to serve the Kunja of Srimati Radhika? Manjaris, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari. And they are qualified to serve the Kunja of Srimati Radhika. Here Radha and Krishna meeting together. Or Srimati Radhika special and treatment of going on there. Even Lalita Vishakha Devi, those who are called Pranaprishta Sakikila Sankochita Bhumika. Tamularpana Padu Mardana Payodana Visada Vindaranam Hesan. Pranaprishta Sakikila Sankochita Bhumika. Rupa Manjari Dasika Aham Samsrayit. Raghunath Das Goswami. And in that the confidential Kunja, even Lalita Vishakha, they cannot easy to enter. Jat Kinkursu Tamularpana Padu Mardana Payodana Visardi. And Manjaris how they are served Srimati Radhika. If Lalita Vishaka, they want to enter in that kunja, they have to take permission from Rupa Manjari or Rati Manjari, especially. They are saying, Raghunath Das Goswami. Tang Rupa Manjari, Mukha Dasika. Rupa Manjari, Anugatta. Look this. So, Krishna have to feel separation from Radha. Then Manjari will be happy. A Prakriti Chitta turns into a world. How Manjari gave chastisement to Krishna. Who is Bhagavan? For Supreme Personality of God is saying Bhagavan. Now he chastised. Not chastised. Manjari is this is their seva. And Krishna externally unhappy. But Krishna is very happy. Internally Krishna is very happy. Why? Prem. If prem in your heart, then if you listen to chastisement, so happy. And if you have no prem, then you become stupid. Then you go away and never come back. What did he say?
Se você está sendo castigado, mas tem prema no seu coração, então você vai ficar feliz, você vai aceitar esse castigo. Mas se você não tem...
This clock is going fast, no? Okay, Arati.
She asking for you to repeat because she didn't translate well.
What did he say?
If you have prema in your heart, then once
If you prem in your heart, then you can easy to survive chastisement. And you will be happy. Understand? Then you listen, yes, now we received mercy from him. Yeah. Arati, oi. Arati karo. Who is Arati? No, evening, now do it. Evening Guru Puja. Chalo. Now 2 o'clock. Yeah, I have to go.
15.
Now 15. Yes. You take prasad then go. 1:30.